Welcome back to the ISNaDBiblio tutorial series. In Module 09, we explore top documents. This module answers the question that every newcomer to a field asks first. Which work should I read before anything else?
Let's begin.
Click the Top Documents menu in the sidebar. The Top Documents page is now open. This table ranks the articles by the number of citations they have received. Each row shows the title, the authors, the source, the year, and the citation count. The articles at the very top are usually the foundational references in this field. Such works are typically pioneering studies, comprehensive reviews, or proposals for a theoretical framework.
There is one thing to be careful about, though.
Citation counts are strongly affected by the age of an article. An article published 10 years ago has had far more time to be cited than one published last year. So a recent article that has already gathered a fair number of citations deserves special attention. That is why the next module, Impact Papers, offers a citations per year perspective. This list can be downloaded as a CSV file. You can then use it as a priority reading list or as an appendix in a systematic review. With that, we have walked through everything in the Top Documents module. You now have a priority reading list drawn from this dataset. In the next module, we look at impact papers to see impact from a different angle. See you there.